Have you ever caught yourself losing balance for just a split second and thought, is this how it starts? Or maybe you've seen a friend or family member take a bad fall and wondered what you could do to make sure that doesn't happen to you. As we get older, balance becomes one of those things we rarely think about until we lose it. But what if preventing falls didn't require special equipment or a gym membership? What if just a few daily moves could keep you strong, steady, and confident for years to come? Falls are one of the leading causes of injury among adults over 50, but they're not an inevitable part of aging. The truth is, your muscles, joints, and balance can all be trained just like any other skill. Think of it like brushing your teeth. It's something you do a little bit every day to prevent bigger problems down the line. The key lies in building strength, flexibility, and stability through simple, intentional movement. So where should you start? The first move to focus on is something so natural that we often overlook its importance: standing on one leg. It may sound too simple to make a difference, but this exercise wakes up your stabilizing muscles, especially in your ankles and hips, which are crucial for balance. Try standing on one leg while brushing your teeth or waiting for the kettle to boil. You'll quickly notice how your body starts to adjust, how those tiny muscles engage to keep you steady. Next, consider the movement pattern you use every time you get out of a chair. Sitting and standing might feel automatic, but it's actually one of the most functional exercises you can do, known in fitness as the sit to stand. Practicing this movement strengthens your thighs and glutes, the very muscles that keep you upright and powerful. Ask yourself, how many times a day do you stand up without using your hands for support? The more you can do it independently, the better your lower body strength and coordination will become. Another move that deserves your attention is the heel-to-toe walk, which challenges your balance in motion. It trains your brain and body to work together, just like walking on a narrow path. When you walk heel-to-toe in a straight line, you're teaching your nervous system to react more efficiently to uneven surfaces and sudden shifts in balance. Can you walk 10 steps this way without wobbling or stepping off the line? That simple question can tell you a lot about your stability. Don't forget about the core, the silent supporter of every move you make. A strong core keeps your posture upright and prevents you from leaning too far forward or backward, which can lead to a fall. Gentle moves like standing knee lifts or seated marches engage your abdominal and hip muscles in a way that's safe and effective. As you strengthen your core, you'll notice more confidence in your movements, whether you're gardening, walking the dog, or dancing at a family gathering. Finally, stretching plays a surprisingly big role in fall prevention. Tight muscles, especially in the calves, hamstrings, and hips, can limit your range of motion and make it harder to recover your balance when you stumble. Taking just 5 minutes a day to stretch your legs and ankles can make a noticeable difference in your mobility. Think of it as giving your body room to move, bend, and adapt. The beauty of these 5 moves is that they're simple, free, and can fit easily into your daily routine. No fancy gear, no complicated routines, just a few mindful moments that build a foundation of strength and confidence. So ask yourself, what would it feel like to move through life without that fear of falling in the back of your mind? What if, instead of worrying about losing balance, you could trust your body to catch you every time? Your future stability starts today, with just a few daily moves that protect your independence, your confidence, and your peace of mind. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.